Hi, my name is Sheep from Weekend Warriors team, and this is an unboxing video for the Systema Challenge Kit M4A1. I'm doing this unboxing video because I couldn't find any good videos on the YouTube, so here it is. This is the maxII version with the M110 cylinder. It's bought from airsoft.ro, and here we go. So this is it. This is the parts sheet. It says 2008 model, but it's a 2012 model. This is the blue cylinder. The new stainless steel, it's not the old aluminium. Front carrying handle. This is the stainless steel outer barrel. The inner barrel is already in there with the hop-up unit. Packages. This is the magpul rear sight and the finger guard. This is Systema's 130 bb's mag. This is the rear stock. The front triangle sight. This is the motor. There's a really strong magnet. It sticks to the outer barrel without no problems at all. This is the lower and upper receiver. The trigger is already and the gearbox parts are already inserted. There's no markings on them. Nothing. This is the upper receiver. This is the feeding tube. I don't know what is this called. Loading tool for the mag. If you don't have a BB loader, you can carry this with you. I don't know who does that. And below we have the charging handle. It's a gas tube. And some other small parts. Everything should be there. This is the pistol grip, the electronics, the little screwdriver for adjusting the hop-up, and the glove. They give you some gloves with it, and this is an acrylic rod. I don't know what is this for. Probably for cleaning the inner barrel. On the sheet it says that I have a front carrying handle, but I didn't have one. So that's about it.